What if I told you the exercise you trust the most is secretly giving you almost zero results? Not because push-ups don't work, but because one tiny mistake can erase everything you're trying to build. And the scary part? Almost everyone is making at least one of these mistakes. Maybe even you. Stay with me for the next minute, because once you see this, you'll never do a push-up the same way again. Push-ups are one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises ever created. They can build strength, muscle, stability, and control. If you do them correctly, but done wrong, you're not just wasting time, you're slowing your progress and quietly increasing your risk of injury. So let's fix this. Starting right now. Mistake number 1, looking up. It feels natural to look forward, but craning your neck breaks your spinal alignment and puts unnecessary stress on your neck muscles. The fix is simple. Look down. Choose a spot on the floor slightly ahead of your hands and keep your gaze locked there. Head, neck, and spine. Perfectly in line. Small change, huge difference. Mistake number 2, elbows flared out like a T. When your elbows shoot straight to the sides at 90 degrees, your shoulder joint moves into a weak, vulnerable position. The exact place injuries love to happen. Instead, tuck your elbows back to about a 45-degree angle from your torso. From above, your body should form a clean arrow shape. Stronger, safer, and far more effective. Mistake number 3, sagging hips. This one destroys more push-ups than anything else. When your hips drop, your lower back takes the load, and the exercise becomes easier in all the wrong ways. Here's the correction. Brace your core, squeeze your glutes, create one straight line from the top of your head all the way to your heels. No dipping, no shortcuts, just pure strength. Mistake number 4, shoulders rolling forward. The moment your shoulders collapse inward, your chest stops doing the real work, and smaller stabilizer muscles take over. And they fatigue fast. Pull your shoulders back, stay tight. Keep your chest proud through the entire set. And mistake number 5, moving straight up and down. Push-ups aren't an elevator. If you only move vertically, you're missing full chest activation. Instead, push slightly forward as you press up, like you're trying to shove the floor away from you. That tiny forward drive switches on your chest in a completely different way. And make sure every rep you do from today forward actually counts.